Hello students, have a fabulous day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars A Secondary School. This is the class for 5th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to discuss a new topic, countable and uncountable nouns. Let's start with countable noun. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted. Okay, so for example, car, book, or flower. The countable noun has both singular and plural noun. For example, car, cars. Car is a singular form and cars is a plural form. Book, books. So here book is a singular form, books is a plural form. So remember, singular verbs are used with singular countable noun, while plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. So for example, my cat is playing. So in this sentence, cat is singular. So cat is singular countable noun. Is singular verb. Okay. So another example, my cats are hungry. So in this sentence, cats. So here cats is a plural countable noun. Cats is a plural countable noun. Are plural verb. Okay, are is a plural verb. So now let's study about uncountable noun. So what is an uncountable noun? Anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Okay, so anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. For example, milk, water, sugar. So students think, can we count milk, water, sugar? No, we cannot count these. So these are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always singular and should be used with a singular verb. Okay? For example, honesty is the best policy. So we don't say honesty or the best policy. Okay? So another example, this news is very important. So this news is very important. So we cannot say this news are very important. Okay? So uncountable nouns cannot use a, an or number before them. It means you can't use an article with an uncountable noun. So for example, we need electricity to use our heater. Okay, listen the sentence. We need electricity to use our heater. So here electricity is uncountable noun. Okay, so we cannot count electricity. Okay, so electricity is uncountable noun. So we cannot say an electricity. Okay, we cannot say an electricity. So students, now you are going to learn countable and uncountable noun elaborately in upcoming video. After watch the video, you have to do your book back exercise. Okay? Thank you.